Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can craft epoxy in Icarus. Now to make the epoxy, check over to your tech tree right here by pressing down tab and then going over to the tech tree tab. Now to find epoxy, once you start here, just scroll down a little bit until you find the mortar and pestle. And then over in this branch, you can find epoxy right here. And as you can see, the recipe for this is that you need 2 pieces of sulfur and 4 pieces of tree sap. Now if you are wondering where you can get tree sap, now over on the mortar and pestle right here, once I interact with this, you can find tree sap right here. You can either make tree sap through the use of pieces of wood, or you can make it through 4 pieces of stick. So you can either choose the wood or the stick, whichever you want. Now, I'm going to make some tree sap right now. Let's say 4 of them, because that's what I need. Okay, now that I got all the materials over on the mortar and pestle, I should be able to make some epoxy right here. I then craft it, and now I have epoxy in the inventory of the mortar and pestle. And that's pretty much about it on how to make epoxy in Icarus.